When you take your recycle bin to the curb, can you be sure that all the material will get recycled? The short answer now is no. Many materials, including glass, used to be accepted by China. Now, that country has imposed strict guidelines on what it will accept. Fairfax County, like so many regions across the United States, now has to rethink how we recycle glass, and it's going to take some effort from all of us.
Right now, the challenge is not just here in the county, but nationwide, what to do with glass. It's not a commodity that people want to pay to dispose of. So if we can offer an option for the residents and our neighboring counties to recycle the material and reuse it accordingly, everybody wins. Here at the I-95 landfill, we have a machine that will allow us to recycle glass, and that would allow us to use that product here at the landfill and other neighboring agencies within the county.
One of the first recycling uses for crushed glass is in the field of construction, where glass is replacing rocks and stone as construction material.
This is the first project that Fairfax County has done where we're using crushed glass on site. We're using it as bedding material under pipes, as well as fill material kind of around the pipes. This is a really good reuse of material. It creates a savings both in that we aren't taking up space in the landfill and we're reducing the amount of crushed stone that we have to acquire for the material around the pipe.
At one construction site alone, workers estimate that they'll use at least 10 truckloads or 250 tons of crushed glass. That's a lot of recycled glass that is repurposed into something useful.
The significance of recycling the glass, it allows us to offer the region a way of recycling the commodity and not just throwing it in the trash. We have neighboring counties who bring us their glass, and we have our own Fairfax County residents who bring their material here to be recycled.
Glass that actually gets recycled comes from residents who drop off their clean, empty glass bottles to one of the county's 2 recycling centers. One location is the I-66 transfer station on Ox Road, and the other is at the I-95 facility just off Furnace Road. The glass that gets picked up from in front of your house does not get recycled. Instead, it gets transported to a materials recovery facility and eventually ends up in a landfill.
We encourage residents to participate in this effort to repurpose glass, and they can help us by bringing their glass to county recycling centers.
We need the residents' help to make this a successful project, and I know it takes a little bit of effort, but it's worth it in the long run. As a citizen of Fairfax County, the biggest win for this is that you're not just helping the county, but you're helping the environment. And you live in a county that prides itself on maintaining a very good environment, and sustainability is a very key, it's very key to making that happen. And we all have to do our part if we want to be successful. And if you take the time to wash your glass and clean it out, rinse it out, separate it, and bring it down here, then you're helping a lot of things, not just the county yourself, but you're helping this environment, and that's our goal. We want to sustain this environment for as long as we can.
For more information, call 703-324-5230 or visit our website